Welcome. It's time to elevate. This is going to be a good one as we discuss Betelgeuse, a star in the Orion constellation that is soon to go supernova and has been long awaited. Have you ever wondered about the mysteries that the universe holds? What if one of them is right above us, in the constellation of Orion, the star Betelgeuse? Classified as a red supergiant, this star is one of the most fascinating celestial objects that our universe has to offer. Nestled within the constellation of Orion, this star has been a beacon in our night sky for countless generations. It's a radiant spectacle, its fiery hue cutting a striking figure against the inky blackness of the cosmos. But what makes Betelgeuse truly captivating is not just its vibrant color or its place in the famous Hunter's constellation. No, it's the mysteries it holds, the cosmic riddles it presents to us. You see, Betelgeuse is not just any star. It's a supergiant, a celestial titan nearing the end of its life cycle. And when stars like Betelgeuse reach their twilight, they don't fade away quietly. They go out with a bang in a spectacular event known as a supernova. This event, the Betelgeuse supernova, is something astronomers have been anticipating for years. They've scrutinized every flicker, every dimming of this star, eager to witness this rare cosmic spectacle. It's not every day, after all, that you get to see a star going supernova, especially not one that's a mere 498 light-years away. But while we wait for this powerful celestial display, there's so much more to understand about Betelgeuse. From the planets that orbit it to the star system it calls home, each aspect of this star offers a new piece to the cosmic puzzle. And as we unravel these pieces, we not only learn more about Betelgeuse, but we also gain deeper insights into our universe and our place within it. So come with us on this journey of cosmic exploration. Let's explore the mysteries of Betelgeuse, its past, its present, and its explosive future. Let's explore the intrigue that this star presents and see what we can uncover. Now let's dive into the compelling history of this celestial object. Betelgeuse, a name originating from Arabic, has been a point of interest for humans since ancient times. This star's name was derived from the Arabic term Yad al-Jawza, which roughly translates to the hand of Orion. And indeed, Betelgeuse is a prominent member of the Orion constellation, sitting at the Hunter's shoulder. Ancient civilizations, from the Babylonians to the Greeks, recognized this star's brilliance. Its reddish hue made it stand out against the backdrop of the night sky. Its brightness fluctuated, sometimes rivaling that of the brightest star in the sky, Sirius. This peculiar trait, along with its position in the prominent Orion constellation, made it a beacon for ancient astronomers and also astrologers. Throughout various cultures, Betelgeuse held significance. For instance, in Aboriginal Australian cultures, it was part of a constellation representing a rue hunter. In ancient Chinese astronomy, it was part of a group of stars symbolizing the white tiger of the West. Its prominence in the sky meant that it was often used in celestial navigation, guiding seafarers and explorers throughout history. The study of Betelgeuse took a scientific turn in the 19th century, when astronomers began to understand that it was not just another star. It was classified as a red supergiant, a star that has exhausted the supply of hydrogen in its core and has begun to cool and expand. This process gives Betelgeuse its distinctive red color and immense size. If placed in the center of our solar system, it would extend out past the orbit of Mars. In the 20th century, Betelgeuse became one of the first stars to have its diameter measured, and it continued to be a subject of intense study. Its variable brightness, once a mystery, was understood as a result of its pulsations as it burned through different elements in its core. But Betelgeuse is more than just a bright light in the sky. It's a supergiant red star with a fascinating present. As we dive deeper into the life of this celestial giant, remember, its story is a testament to our human curiosity and our journey to understand the universe. Betelgeuse, a supergiant red star, one of the biggest and brightest in our galaxy. This celestial titan is currently in its late stages of stellar evolution. Its size is simply astounding, with a diameter more than 1,200 times that of our own sun. Imagine that. It could swallow up the sun and still have room for more. Betelgeuse has a distinct red color, which is indicative of its cool temperature. Now, don't get me wrong, cool is a relative term here. With a surface temperature of around 3,500 degrees Celsius, it's still quite toasty, just cooler in comparison to other stars. This red giant is not in our backyard, though. It's located approximately 498 light-years from us. To put that into perspective, if you were to travel at the speed of light, it would take you almost 500 years to reach it. What's more, Betelgeuse is not a solitary star. It's accompanied by several planets, each trapped in its gravitational pull, orbiting in an eternal cosmic dance. The specifics of these planets are still a mystery, partly due to the vast distance between us and them, and partly because of the blinding brightness of Betelgeuse itself. You see, studying distant stars and their companions is no easy task. It's like trying to spot a speck of dust in a spotlight from a mile away. But with the advent of more advanced telescopes and innovative observation techniques, we're slowly peeling back the layers of this complex star system. Betelgeuse is not just another star in the night sky, it's a beacon of wonder and intrigue. Its size, color, and behavior have kept astronomers on their toes for centuries. And with each passing day, we inch closer to unraveling its many mysteries. But what does the future hold for this red supergiant star? If you enjoy the content on our channel, please give a like and subscribe to be notified of any future uploads to the channel. Astronomers have been on the edge of their seats, waiting for Betelgeuse to go supernova. So, what exactly is a supernova? And why is Betelgeuse expected to become one? Well, a supernova is a stellar explosion that briefly outshines an entire galaxy, radiating as much energy as our sun is expected to emit over its whole life. They occur at the end of a star's lifetime when its nuclear fuel is exhausted, and it is no longer supported by the release of nuclear energy. Being a red supergiant, it is in the final stages of its life. The star has swelled in size, becoming an enormous bloated object that's shedding its outer layers into space. This is a clear sign that the star's days are numbered, surrounded by the gas and dust it expels. Now, why is the scientific community so interested in this event? Well, the explosion of a star, such as Betelgeuse, offers a unique opportunity to study the life and death of stars, the elements they produce, and the impact of their explosions on the surrounding environment. The last supernova observed in our galaxy, the Milky Way, was Kepler's supernova in the year 1604. That's over 400 years ago. So you can see why astronomers are eagerly anticipating the next one. As for Betelgeuse, it's one of the most likely candidates for the next supernova because of its size and its age. It's also relatively close to Earth, only about 500 light-years away. That's a stone's throw in cosmic terms. There are several signs that Betelgeuse might be nearing the end. The star has been dimming, which could indicate that it's about to explode. However, stars are complex and unpredictable, and Betelgeuse could also be going through a phase where it dims before brightening again. So the waiting game continues. But one thing is certain: when Betelgeuse does finally explode, it will be a sight to behold and a feast of data for astronomers. And when it happens, what will be the effects on Earth? When Betelgeuse goes supernova, it will be the event of a lifetime. But what will it mean for us on Earth? This question is something that has intrigued astronomers and stargazers. Let's first talk about the spectacle of light this event will create. Betelgeuse is nearly 500 light-years away from us. Yet when it explodes, it will shine as brightly as a full moon, visible even during the day. For weeks, possibly even months, it will cast shadows on Earth at night, turning our world into a realm of dual shadows. Imagine 2 moons in our sky. However, as awe-inspiring as this sight will be, it's only natural to wonder about the potential dangers. After all, supernovae are among the most powerful events in the universe, releasing a tremendous amount of energy and cosmic particles. But before you start building a supernova bunker, let me put your mind at ease. Despite its power, the Betelgeuse supernova won't harm life on Earth. The main reason is distance. At nearly 500 light-years away, Betelgeuse is far enough to keep us safe. While the supernova will emit an enormous amount of radiation, by the time it reaches us, it will be too diluted to cause any harm. What about cosmic particles? Supernovae do produce a surge of cosmic particles, but Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field serve as a protective shield, deflecting these particles. So, while our spacecraft might need to exercise caution, we on terra firma will be safe. In fact, the Betelgeuse supernova will be a boon for scientists, providing a rare opportunity to study a supernova relatively up close. It will offer valuable insights into the life and death of stars, enriching our understanding of the universe. So, when Betelgeuse goes supernova, it will be a huge, long-lasting influx of light, a scientific bonanza, but not a danger to life on Earth. It's a cosmic event that will be etched in our collective memory, a reminder of our place in an ever-changing universe. But what will the universe be like without Betelgeuse? The aftermath of a supernova is a sight of celestial beauty, a nebula. But the absence of Betelgeuse will be felt. Imagine the sky without the second brightest star in the constellation of Orion. Betelgeuse's demise will leave a void in our celestial sphere, and its absence will reshape the familiar Orion constellation we've come to know and love. But from the ashes, something new will rise, a cosmic phoenix, if you will. This is the nebula, a vast cloud of dust and gas, the aftermath of the supernova. The nebula created by the Betelgeuse supernova will be a spectacle of cosmic proportions. It will be a colorful display of gas and dust, lit up by the remaining heat of the explosion. This nebula could be a nursery for new stars to form, a testament to the cyclic nature of the universe. Stars die, but in their death they give birth to new stars, new planets, and perhaps new life. But let's not forget about Orion. Betelgeuse is not just any star, it's special, a part of the Orion constellation. Without its brightest star, the constellation will lose its luster. The mighty hunter will be left without his right shoulder, making the constellation less recognizable. This might seem like a small change, but for stargazers and astronomers it will be like losing an old friend. However, the universe is in a constant state of flux. Stars are born and stars die. Orion might not look the same without Betelgeuse, but it will still remain a part of our night sky, a testament to the ever-changing nature of the cosmos. Betelgeuse has been a beacon in our night sky for hundreds of thousands of years, a constant in an ever-changing universe. Its loss will be felt, but its legacy will live on in the nebula it leaves behind, and the new stars and planets it helps to form. So, when we say goodbye to Betelgeuse, we bid farewell to an old friend in the night sky. The universe never ceases to amaze us, and the story of Betelgeuse is a testament to that. A red supergiant star, nearly 500 light-years away from Earth, Betelgeuse has been a constant presence in our night sky, a fiery beacon in the vast expanse of our Milky Way galaxy. In its lifetime, Betelgeuse has undergone dramatic changes, evolving from a main sequence star into a red supergiant, and then in a brilliant display of its cosmic end, it will transform into a supernova. This celestial event, eagerly anticipated by astronomers around the world, will broaden our perspective on the universe, a rare and spectacular occurrence that will illuminate the night sky like a second sun for years to come. Throughout its existence, Betelgeuse has been a subject of fascination and study. Its size, its luminosity, and its eventual fate as a supernova have provided scientists with valuable insights into stellar evolution and the life cycle of stars. And the planets that orbit Betelgeuse, invisible to our eyes but detectable through advanced telescopes, add another layer of intrigue to this remarkable star system. The impact of the Betelgeuse supernova on Earth is yet another aspect of this fascinating story. While it poses no direct threat to our planet, the supernova will have a profound effect on our night sky, altering the familiar constellation of Orion and leaving a lasting imprint on our celestial landscape. As the story of Betelgeuse unfolds, so does our understanding of the universe. Each celestial event, each supernova, each star that flickers into existence and then fades away, brings us closer to answering the fundamental questions about our place in the cosmos. The intrigue continues, fueled by our curiosity and our desire to unravel the mysteries of the universe. As we continue to gaze at the stars, we carry with us the knowledge of Betelgeuse, a special part of the ever-evolving universe. This red supergiant star may be hundreds of light years away, but its story is a part of our own. A chapter in the grand narrative of the cosmos that we are all a part of. Thanks for joining us in these exciting cosmic times as we await the Betelgeuse supernova event. The event of a lifetime, the event of new cosmic beginnings, the event that will eventually reshape the Orion star constellation for billions of years. Until next time, my friends, remember Betelgeuse, and always stay elevated.